Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Ballerina Cappuccina in DTI without VIP. So if you want to create this anomaly trend Ballerina Cappuccina in DTI, you can just watch my steps in here. First, I'm going to tell you that for the dress and the skirt, I'm using a Valentine update and also this skirt from the skirt rack and also this shoe. If you have the ballerina shoe, you can just put it on, and let's start creating the Ballerina Cappuccina. So first, you can just put on this ski mask, color it white, and toggle it into 4, and put on this fur hat, and you can just copy my adjustment. So this is the adjustment for the position. So just leave at the X as it is, Y 21 and Z 67, and this is for the rotate 36, 26, 55, and the scale 1. And next, put on this hat up here, color it brown, and again copy my adjustment. And now, so this is the adjustment for the Barrett hat, 46, 49, and 59, and for the rotate 42, 42, and 57, and the scale is 52. And now put on this angel bandana here, and again copy my adjustment. So for the scale, just leave it as it is, and you can change the position and also rotate. So using this as the cup holder, this is the adjustment for the position 72, 42, and 1 for the Z, and for the rotate X 17, Y 1, and Z 0. Leave the scale as it is. And now you can just go to the petals update in here and put on this horn and color it black, and we're going to use this as the eye. You can just use my adjustment again. Okay, so here is the adjustment for the horn here. The positions 49, 45, and 37. Then the rotate here, X 0, Y 51, and Z 60. And for the scale, I'm adjusting it to 60. And now let's go back to the hat rack in here and put on this bow. And here you can color it pink and use my adjustment again. So this is the adjustment, the X 24, 50, and 51. This is for the position adjustment. And the rotate X 39, Y 21, and the Z 47. And the scale is 44. And the next item that you are going to use is on the dresser or the closet in here. First, you're going to put on the eyelashes, color it black, and then you can use this adjustment. So here is the adjustment for the eyelashes, position X 44, 54, and Z 43, and the rotate X 51, Y 48, and the Z 58, and lastly the scale is 1. And now you're going to make the blush on the cup in here. So I'm going to use this bear ears, and here I'm going to use this adjustment. So the X 50 position, and the Y is 27, and the Z 54. Rotate in here X 0, Y 46, and the Z 63. And the scale, just leave it as it is. So now this is the Ballerina Cappuccina for you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.